In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your bookmarks in Google Chrome quickly and safely so you can save your favorite websites, move them to another computer, or restore them later if needed. This is one of those simple tasks that can save you a lot of time and stress later on, especially if you use Chrome for work, research, shopping, or daily browsing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder depending on the device you're using. Once Chrome is open, you're ready to access your saved bookmarks. Now, to back up your bookmarks, you need to open the Bookmarks Manager. Click the three dots menu in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, hover over or select Bookmarks and Lists, and then click Bookmark Manager. This will open in a separate page where all of your saved bookmarks are organized. If you want a faster way, there's also a shortcut you can use. Press Ctrl, Shift, and O at the same time, and Chrome will instantly open the Bookmark Manager. This is the quickest method if you already know what you're doing and want to save a few extra seconds. Once the Bookmark Manager is open, look for the three dots in the top right corner of that page. Click that menu to open additional options. This is where Chrome keeps the export feature that lets you create a backup file of all your bookmarks. From the menu, click Export Bookmarks. Chrome will then generate an HTML file containing all of your saved bookmarks. This file is your backup, and it can be imported later into Chrome or another browser if you ever need to recover your links. Next, Chrome will ask you where you want to save the file. Choose a location that's easy to remember and access later. For example, you can save it on your desktop, in your Documents folder, on a USB drive, or even in cloud storage for extra protection. Once you've selected the location, click Save. And that's it. Your Chrome bookmarks are now backed up successfully. If you ever need them again, you'll have that HTML file ready to restore your saved websites in just a few clicks. It's a great habit to back up your bookmarks regularly, especially before resetting your browser, switching computers, or making big changes to your profile. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.